In today's video, I will walk you through how to add button to list view in Salesforce. Please like and subscribe if this video helps you. To begin, access your Salesforce dashboard using the official Salesforce platform where your account settings, object configuration tools, and layout management options are available. Once you are inside the dashboard, navigate to the object where you want to add the button to the list view. In this example, the process starts inside the Accounts section of Salesforce. After opening the Accounts area, wait for the page to fully load so all object settings become available. From there, continue into the Object Configuration section, where Salesforce allows you to manage buttons, links, layouts, and actions connected to that object. Once you are inside the Object Settings area, look for the section labeled Buttons, Links, and Actions, or Buttons, Links, and Layouts, depending on the version and layout displayed on your screen. This section contains the available tools for creating new buttons and managing how they appear throughout Salesforce. After locating that section, continue by selecting the option labeled New Button or Link. Salesforce will then open the setup form where the button configuration can be created and customized before it is added to the list view. Inside the setup form, begin entering the required information for the new button. Start with the label field and type the name you want displayed for the button inside Salesforce. After that, move to the name field and enter the button name required during the setup process. Once those fields are completed, continue scrolling down through the setup page until you reach the display type settings. In this section, locate the option related to list button configuration. Select the list button option shown on the screen, so the button can be used within the list view setup. Continue moving through the remaining setup fields until you reach the display setting mentioned during the process. Adjust the display option according to the settings shown on your screen so the button uses the correct display behavior inside the list view configuration. Next, move to the description field and enter the description you want to assign to the button. Continue reviewing the information entered throughout the form before moving to the bottom of the page. After reviewing everything, select the Save button to create the new button configuration. Salesforce may display a confirmation prompt after saving the setup. If that happens, continue by selecting OK to finish the process. Once the page finishes loading, the new button setup will be completed and connected to the selected Salesforce object for use inside the list view configuration. Thank you for watching. See you in the next videos.